Hi, everybody, and welcome again to Mr. Petrimo's channel. Today, we're going to show you the Gather. The Gather is so much fun. Oh, my God. So Gather.Town is a new video conferencing tool that I am using with my computer literacy class, and it is the best thing ever. This is right now replacing Google Meets for me and my students, and they love it, and I love it, and there's so many cool things to it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my character right here is Petrimo, and I can run around and move. And these rooms are all customizable, so I can build them however I want. I can put up walls. I can put up invisible walls. I can put up megaphones. The megaphone feature is really cool. So I'm just going to run through with my class of crazy named students that are helping me do this video, and we're going to show you what the Gather can do. So the first thing I want to show you is the megaphone. When I step on the megaphone, all my students are going to connect to me, and their videos and their microphones will be active. Now, for the purposes of this video, I've directed them to turn their videos off for privacy purposes. But normally, their little pictures would show up right here under their names, and they'll be able to unmute themselves and chat, and the video will pop up right there. Now, the megaphone allows me to speak to everybody in the room, so it's really cool. I can step on the megaphone, and I can tell the whole class their directions for today. When I'm done with the megaphone and giving them their directions, I'm going to step off just like this, and you see all their names disappear from me. It's really cool. Now, Gather uses proximity to activate the video and the microphone. So when I get close to somebody, Daffy Duck, do me a favor and step off of your carpet toward me. When I get close to Daffy Duck, his video will pop up and I'll be able to talk to Daffy Duck. But now watch Daffy Duck stay still. Watch as I move away from Daffy Duck, the video starts to fade. And then when I get too far away, the video disappears and I can no longer talk to Daffy Duck. So you have to be close to talk to that person. All right, Daffy, you may return to your breakout rooms. Now, these rooms up here, the different colored carpets, work like a breakout room. So you see they're numbered. The number 1 is red, 2 is green, 3 is blue, etc., etc. When I step onto this carpet, everybody in the breakout room is connected to me. And the moment I step off of the carpet, they are disconnected. So these are like really nicely designed breakout rooms that the kids can come and go and organize themselves, and I can visit. What's really cool is down here by my teacher's desk, I have shortcuts to each of the breakout rooms. So I can step on number 1, and I'm technically inside that same room with breakout group number 1, and I can talk to them. And the same thing with group 2. You can see that I'm disconnecting from 1 and going to 2, and then I'm going to step on 3, and I disconnect from 2, and now I'm connecting with my kids in group 3. So it's really kind of cool. And then my own teacher's desk works as a separate breakout room to where, let's have Cybercat. Cybercat, come to my desk, please. Cybercat, come to my desk. And as soon as Cybercat steps on my carpet, you see I connect to that student and I can video chat and give directions. They can ask questions. It's totally private. I can show my screen and they can show theirs with the screen share button right here. Cybercat, I don't want you to show your screen just in case there's privacy stuff on there, but I can show my screen right here to Cybercat and he or she can see everything that's on my screen. And I'm just going to switch and blah, 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 blah. And then I can easily turn that off. And it works seamlessly. So this is really a great video conferencing tool. Cybercat, you can go ahead back to your breakout room. Thank you very much. All right, so normally how I run my class is I get started on the megaphone where I'm talking to the whole class and I give them their directions for today. And they are sorting themselves into their groups for classcraft. And they can help each other. They can socialize. They can work on their coding together and whatever they need to do in their breakout room. Once I've given directions, then I tell the kids, okay, I'll be at my desk. If you have any questions, you can come to my desk. And so that's when I leave my megaphone and go sit in my chair at my desk. And so the kids, as they work, they can go ahead and come up and ask a question as they work. So we'll wait right here for students to come up and ask a question. Daffy Duck, do you have a question?
Ice cream flavors.
Oh, Superman for sure is my favorite ice cream flavor. It's a crazy flavor from Michigan that's gingery and it's weird and it's cool. So that's my favorite ice cream flavor. What about yours? Wait, Mickey. All right, very good. One at a time, one at a time. Remember to make a line. Okay, Juicy Pickle, what's up?
I turned something in for you.
Very good. I'll check it in just a moment. Thank you. All right, Mickey Mouse, it's your turn now. What's up? Oh, thank you. I sure will. Good job. All right, Cookie Monster. Oops. You sure may. Thank you for asking so politely. All right, Pandora. Whoa, whoa, Pandora left. My monkey. Monkey, what's up?
What color should I choose?
I think you should choose that nice pink color that we saw on the board together. That would look really good on yours.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Roger Rabbit. Hi, Roger.
What should I draw on the whiteboard in my breakout room?
Oh, you can draw anything you want, but I'm getting a little feedback from your microphone. So we'll have to look at that. Whoa. All right, get yourself muted. There we go. Sometimes you do get a little feedback from students' microphones, but it's pretty good. All right, Imposter, what's up? I like that name, by the way.
What's your favorite game to play?
Guild Wars 2 by far, but you know what? I just bought my new VR headset, and so I have new games to explore. So I can't wait. I just got it, though. I haven't even played a game on it yet. All right, cool. Hi, Donald Duck. You sure can. Thank you. Hi, Mrs. Peabody.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple, of course. As you can see, my coffee cup is in purple. My pens are in purple right here. Everything I have, I love purple. What's yours?
Blue.
Oh, I like blue too. All right, good. What's up, Cybercat?
Your favorite PC game?
My favorite PC game, I don't know. It's a toss-up between Guild Wars 2 and Don't Starve Together. I love that game. I love being the robot and trying to survive. All right, Mickey Mouse, what's up? You sure can. Thank you. And last is Patrick the Rockman. Patrick, what's up?
Do you like this school?
I love this school. This is my favorite school of ever. I love it. I love Bow Memorial School.
Well, do you like to spin then?
Do I like to spin in my chair?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I'm a wiggler. I always like to wiggle back and forth like this.
Look at us.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You guys figured out some stuff already. All right, good job. You can go back to your breakout rooms. All right, the next thing I wanted to show everybody was the auditorium feature over here with the video. I can plug any video into this little video camera here. And class, wait a minute. Let me go on the megaphone. Oh, they've already heard me. Class, please come to the auditorium to watch the video. All right, and then I'm going to come over here to my auditorium. They're all going to pile on this carpet, and anywhere on this carpet, that video lights up in yellow. You see the video projector in the middle? And the students can click on that and play the video at their own pace. And I have another megaphone up here where I can connect to them and give them all direction before they start the video, and then they can play their video. So that works out great. All right, so I have a small room that I normally use, but Gather makes it so that you can have a nice large size school with different classrooms. So I want all the kids to follow me. We're going to follow Mr. Petrimo out to the door. It gets a little bit laggy when everybody's moving, but we'll manage to get through it. And we go out of the door. Uh-oh, I got me blocked. There we go. Leave the door and we'll exit into the main hallway. And the main hallway is set up with rooms 101, 102, 103, and 104 at the top. And as you go through, oh, it gets really laggy when everybody's walking, but that's okay. We'll soon get settled down. You'll see down in the main room, down here, there's little tables for two. So two kids can sit at this table and talk to each other and have a little bit of privacy. There's little tables of 6 over here on the right. And so a small group can sit there. And then the colored carpets over here work exactly the same as my breakout rooms did in the classroom. And so when you step on, you are connected with anybody in the purple. The kiosks you can program to have content on them, and the same with this bulletin board up there at the top. You can have content there. Right now, I wanted to show you the cafeteria, so we're going to exit at the bottom in room 300, and this puts us down into the cafeteria room, where we have lunch tables set up with activities on them, and these are really cool. All right, kids, you may spread out to the activity tables. So there's various activities. One of my favorites is the drawing one. I think that's this one. And you can have 4 people, 2 per team, and you get to compete with each other. You press the X button to activate whatever device is on there. And then I can put my name in and join the game. And it's draw battle. It works a lot like Pictionary, and I love it. But you can have more than just a couple teams. So I'm going to actually close this and exit that. Just wanted to show you how it works. There's Sudoku. There's a crossword puzzle. Oh, there's some other game. I can't remember what the other game is. And it's a lot of fun. You can find your own games too if you want. All right, so the last thing I want to show you is the soccer field. Okay, everybody, let's go on recess. Let's go out to the soccer field. And the soccer field is set up way out to the side at the bottom. You have picnic tables that work like breakout rooms too, but the soccer fields, everybody who's on one of the fields, they can hear each other. So it works like a huge breakout room. So you can have a whole group of kids on the soccer field, and you can talk things over. You can give directions. You can't really play soccer, but it's a lot of fun. And you can design these spaces however you like. Just so much fun. All right, kids, let's go back to room 102. Let's go back to room 102. So we're going to go back through the courtyard here. And this is all customizable. You can design this however you want. You can put your own garden in. It's a lot of fun designing too. And so much content you can add. So I'm going to go back to floor 100. You can go to floor 200 as well. That is a second level of this template. I'm going to go up to room 102, and I'm going to return to my desk, and the students are going to return to their breakout rooms. And we're going to resume class. I absolutely love Gather. Cybercat, get off the podium. Cybercat. Patrick. They love getting on that loudspeaker and talking to the whole class. Get to your breakout rooms, please.
Hi.
Okay, get to your breakout rooms, please. Captain Underpants, get to your breakout room. All right. So that is Gather in a nutshell. The editor tool is over here. It's so easy to use. And you have a chat feature right here. I can go on the chat feature and chat to the entire class, to everyone on the Gather. Or I can privately chat with one of them. Or I can chat with the people who are nearby, which gives that 5 tile rules, similar to the kids who activate their cameras when they're within 5 tiles of me. So really cool features. It's free for a class of 25 or less, and I am loving this. Like I said, it's just about replaced Google Meets for me. Of course, my Google Meets is my old standby. If anything happens to the Gather, all the kids know to go meet me on the Google Meet, and we'll be back in the old channel. But for right now, I am absolutely loving Gather.Town, and I hope you do too. All right, thank you very much. And this is another tutorial with Mr. Petrimo, and I would like to thank, wait a minute. I would like to thank Patrick, get off the podium.
I'm a rock.
Patrick, get off the podium. There we go. I would like to thank everybody in the classroom who helped me make this tutorial. You may unmute your mics and clap. So unmute your mics and we can all clap. Good job, everybody, and thank you for watching. We'll see you on our next tutorial.